Premier Electrosystems, precision in testing, excellence in automation.
Hello, welcome to Premier's YouTube channel. This is Premier's composite test panel. It consists of several tests included in one panel. These tests can be customized as per your requirement. In this particular panel, we have HV tester, ECR tester, insulation tester, leakage current tester, accessibility tester, endurance tester, VAW tester, and an input voltmeter. So each of these tests can be switched on and off individually. As you can see, we can start the HV test from here. Simultaneously, we can do an ECR test on another instrument. So as per your requirement, these tests can be done on separate units. This is the insulation tester, which has 500 volt DC output and that has a range of 200 mega ohms. A leakage current tester to test the leakage current of the product from the line to the body and from neutral to the body. This is the accessibility tester with the variable voltage. You can set up to 45 volt. Test probes and will be provided as per requirement. This is the endurance tester. This is the VAW tester. To test the VAW meter, you can plug it in, set the voltage. Using the dimmer, you can vary it from 0 to 300 volts. As you can see that at 230 volts, the wattage is approximately 22-23 watts. Similarly, we can do an endurance test over here at the rated the set voltage. Press the start key over here, so you can see that the switch is on for a particular time and then off for a particular time, and once the test is over, it will indicate a cycle over, indicating that the test is over here. This is the cycle over. This is a dimmer where you can vary it from 0 to 300 volts, so you can add different tests as per your requirement, and it will be customized. It will be a make to order item. Thank you.
For more insights on testing and measuring instruments, follow us on YouTube. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos. For inquiries, contact us below.